Hey there, today I'm going to teach you how to pack for a last minute trip using a system. When you are in a hurry, these travel tips are going to help you not forget those essentials. I will show you some easy outfits to grab. We will talk about toiletries that you must pack. I will show you how to fit it all in that carry-on suitcase, packing only what you need. Welcome to my channel. My name is Laurie and I'm a Houston pilot wife sharing travel tips to help you travel the globe without a worry in the world. If you click the little bell beside subscribe down there, you will be subscribed to my channel, and that does not mean that YouTube is going to spam you. It just means you're going to get an email every week when I upload a free travel tip video. I'm having a lot of comments now and it's taking me like 5 hours to get my comments answered. So if I just put a heart, know that I have read it, and I really appreciate the time you take to leave a comment, but you do not have to, okay? Since we do fly standby, if there are empty seats, we might take a last minute trip. So I have had experience and learned how to pack when I'm in a hurry. The number one step to packing this system for a last minute trip is to go through your daily routines, your morning routine, your daytime routine, your nighttime routine. When you pack toiletries, for example, what toiletries must you pack in the morning? Toothbrush, comb, those essentials you need for your nighttime routine. You're going to think of and pack in that order and in a way that keeps you organized without making a packing list way in advance in an organized way. You're going to divide your morning and nighttime routine or your body part that you need to have essentials for into pouches or into sections of a hanging toiletry bag. I put on my makeup in the morning. I might have my comb in there, my deodorant in there, your toothbrush maybe. You're going to think of the liquids for those routine or those times during the day and put those liquids in your liquids bag. When I'm packing in a hurry, I do not think about bringing my cute pouches like my makeup brush case. I just throw my minimal amount of makeup brushes in and then my basic palette for makeup. I might take one accent color and not worry about the other accent colors or glamorous looks while I'm on vacation. I also want to mention to you these see-through pouches. The reason I mention those is because I took them to Georgia and I really like that you can throw things in them while they're standing up, much like I found with this new toiletry bag that's still not available because we sold them out the last time I talked about it. But it's nice to be able to see through the pouches, and I never thought about that. I have so many free pouches that I've used. They're good for when you are not real organized and you can see, okay, what did I pack in here? Oh, this is my morning routine essentials. You might pack a face wipe, your dental floss for night. You might pack a hair clip. Then you think of your other hair needs that you need to pack. Mousse, that's gonna go in your liquids bag. Your comb. Since we are still wearing masks inside airports and airplanes, you do not need to wear earrings. Just pack a basic neutral color. I need to tell you about this gal who is not sponsoring this video at all, but I love that she is an artist with clay and she makes these really lightweight earrings. So I have ordered these and I like the color because it's neutral for travel. Another way to pack jewelry or accessories is to make it match with your belt. And remember the travel tip, you do not wear your belt through security, even pre-check now. They're making everyone have that belt off for some reason. The best part about packing for a last minute trip is you're not going to overthink your packing list. You're going to only pack those essentials and you're not going to add, oh, what if I need this? I'm going to pack more. You end up packing less or more efficiently when you're in a hurry. For choosing travel outfits while you're on vacation, I start with the shoes because they take up most of the space in our carry-on bag. For airport security, you may want to wear some easy slip-on, slip-off shoes that can also be worn another time during your vacation. My travel tip is to pack at least one pair of water-resistant or waterproof shoe. I have these sneakers that I wear. I don't like that they're super shiny, but they are so supportive that I do find an outfit or two to wear with that if I'm on vacation and going to be walking a lot. These shoes are waterproof. They're by Blondo. I will link everything below, and these are water resistant. I wore these in 45 minutes pouring rain in Boston, and they are the Echo brand as well. They're very supportive and worth the investment. These are soft, S-O-F-F-T, and they are supportive as well. You'll notice that these are all neutral colors that can be worn with different colored denim or different color shorts. Pack sandals that are a neutral color if you're watching this during the summer or going to the beach during the winter from Ohio. I want to invest in some of those white leather shoes that are water resistant as well, that have like black and leopard in them. The Golden Goose ones are like $650, but I found some at Walmart and on Amazon. So I'm gonna see which ones are really supportive enough that I can wear them with black denim, because black denim I think of as being dressier with what I wear with it. So anyway, let's get back to the topic. If you need to pack a raincoat, I highly recommend this one that I found at Walmart. It has a cinchable hood, and I learned that lesson because I packed this really cute thin raincoat and the hood does not cinch. We have to take into account the wind blowing against your head while it's raining as well. So I like that feature in a raincoat, and it's thin enough to pack and it's thin enough to wear on top of your warmer layers. If you need a winter coat, I did buy this one, but I wish I had bought the black one. I think black can look dressier if I'm going to a restaurant at night. I bought this one for Europe because hopefully I'll get to go to Europe again, but sometimes on the train system, the airflow is non-existent, and so you want to take that jacket off and not tie it around your waist. So these have little backpack straps that are loose enough to wear it over your backpack, but as a backpack as well. The next step in this packing system is to think about denim. Blue denim is easy because it matches with every top that you want to wear on vacation. With nicer shoes like my black boots, you can dress up or elevate that casual style for a nicer restaurant. I have these, and these are long enough. I need the length. And then colored denim is another great choice for travel. It goes with nicer tops and also t-shirts. In the fall is a great time to find colored denim because there are so many different options. And then black denim is easy to go from daytime to nighttime in all of your outfits. It's easy to look casual or dressy if you have the right shoes. The next step when you are in a hurry is to go with a color scheme. That just makes it easier. Walk into your closet and choose all the black tops that you have. I like this black top because it looks like a thermal up close. The sleeves are really nice, so I can wear that at night and look really dressy. And then this is a nice fun casual sweater that can be worn over a t-shirt or a thin tank top or by itself, depending on daytime or nighttime activities. You can also choose solids. That's an easy way to go through in a hurry and pick out some outfit pieces. This is the same fabric as this sweater. I did have this one on, but I wanted to show you how easily it hangs. It has this little cinch knot, which is great for, you don't have to tuck it in your jeans. It can be worn with blue denim. It can be worn at night. It can be worn with white or creamy color in the fall. Add a scarf, which is easy to pack, and you have another outfit. There are many choices in this color still available. I got that sweater 2 years ago, so it's a good quality sweater. They also have a thermal version that has a tie at the waist, which is so cute, and it is long sleeve. These that I showed you in the burgundy, they're all 3/4 length sleeve, but it's the same fabric as this, which is not super thick, which will help you pack more in that suitcase for a last minute trip. And then another item that I found this year is this little casual sweater that is fun. It's bright, it's in different colors, and they're thin pieces that you can pack as well. My travel tip for a 5-day trip is to pack 3 or 4 shirts to be worn during the day and 1 to go out at night with. Then all of those pieces are going to mix and match easily for casual style with your shoes and your bottom pieces that you chose. Another travel tip that I thought of last year was to remember that after you go out to eat at night, you're not going to change into your pajamas immediately. So have a casual top or lounge set that are super popular now that you can hang out in on the back deck, or add your coat and be fine with that layer. An old t-shirt from college, this long sleeve maybe. I found a really soft pajama set at Walmart that I will show you right here. It is luxuriously soft in person. Then you pack your pajamas, your undies, your socks that you need. Then you're going to just start packing. You do not have to use compression cubes like I recommend for fitting more in your suitcase. Just start rolling or use the folding method and just get your clothes into your suitcase. Then you take your shoes and either line the walls of your suitcase or put them in the outer flap of your suitcase. Line your curling iron against the other wall of your suitcase. The tip is, do not think about what you could have forgotten yet. You're just getting everything that you think of last minute into that suitcase. Now think of those essentials you're going to need for the airplane: your chargers, your electronic cords for your AirPods, your Apple Watch, your laptop maybe, your phone. Those are all going to go in a baggie. They can go in an electronic cord organizer. One tip is to know that you do not have to pack your watch if you're going with other people, especially your phone is going to be your watch. So if that's one less cord you have to pack, bonus. You can pack your antibacterial wipe, your face mask case, your vaccination card maybe, a pen, and your ID in a little thin wallet, in a crossbody bag, or without your crossbody bag. Maybe you don't need to take it this trip. I have to take my hearing aid case, so that is always in here. Your eyeglass cleaner, anything else you really need for the airplane. Just do a quick rundown. Now that you have everything packed, you're going to go through those daily routines again. Pat each body part that you are going to be using those routines on during the day to see if you have forgotten to pack an essential. I started thinking, what is the worst that could happen if you did forget to pack this essential? You can usually use Uber or find a ride or just go to the store in the airport and buy that essential. Even though you may have an upcharge, it's not going to stress you out. So take that burden off of your packing last minute self and just have fun and get it done. If you want to share this video, just click on the little share arrow down there and it will copy the link for you. You can email it or send it in a post somehow. Anyway, thanks for your time. I appreciate it, and have fun wherever you're going last minute.